Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In my last video, I was showing you that the price line of Zilliqa has formed an ascending triangle. Right now, we have broken out the resistance of this ascending triangle. Now, where the price line can move and what can be our next targets, I want to share in today's video with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this weekly time frame. And here we have been watching that this 3.7 cents has been working as a very strong resistance back here in November to the end of November to the start of December 2020, and we have rejection here, here, and here as well. If I switch to the daily time frame, then we can watch these rejections very clear. We can see back from November, at the end of November up to December 2020. We had several rejections by this resistance of 3.7 cents. And after these rejections, you can see on the daily time frame, we had several rejections. Finally, we broke it out, retested the previous resistance as a support, confirmed this level as a very strong support, and moved up. And we had a very, very big move. Right now, after this drop, after this recent drop, the price line again, after breaking down the support of the descending triangle, again dropped at the same support of 3.7 cents and reversed back. And here we can also observe that this spike was showing that bears are really very weak at this area. Therefore, the price line reversed back. Right now, we are going to break out the previous support of this triangle as a resistance. Before this, the price line has broken out this small triangle that was formed on the 4-hourly time frame. And you can see that finally we have broken out. And I was telling you that if we will break out this triangle, then our next imminent target after this breakout will be approximately at 5.5 cents. And so far we have rallied up to 5.336 cents. And this was a move I was telling you in my previous video that can push the price line after this breakout. We can expect that the price line will try to break out this previous support of the big triangle as a resistance. Remember, we are also in a falling wedge pattern on this daily time frame chart, and we entered here in at the first week of September, and so far we are moving inside this wedge. And if we will be entered inside this the bigger triangle, there will be a really very high probability that we will also break out the resistance of this wedge as well. The resistance of the wedge is approximately at 5.8 cents. And if we take a look at this resistance of the previous triangle, that is now the support of the previous triangle that is now working as a resistance, that is at 5.5 cents. So if we are going to break it out, definitely we are also going to break out this falling wedge pattern, and we can move up to the first resistance, that is 8.2 cents, and the final resistance and our final target as per this falling wedge can be approximately here at 12.8 cents. And if we take a look at the this triangle's resistance once again, then we can see it is at 7.7 cents. And for example, if we are going beyond 12 cents, then we are also going to break out this triangle as well. Now, if we will break out this triangle, let me repeat the target for after the breakout this triangle, that can be approximately 22.6 cents if we will be breaking out this triangle from here. So next few hours are really very important. Zilliqa is trying to break out this very important resistance that was previously working as a support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.